Hello, my name is Simona, I'm crochet designer, and today I will show you how to make the same placemats with 4mm macrame cord. To make these placemats you will need 4mm braided macrame cord. Link to the cord is below in the description, and 5.5mm hook. To make two placemats you will need 250 meters of this cord. The diameter of the placemat is 35 centimeters. I'm sure that you will manage to make it and you will have fun while crocheting them. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. In my studio named MonoMey, you can find many cord colors available. So these are the solid colors and these are the colors that have lyrics in it, so your placemats can be shining also. Visit my page and see all the colors available. Today I will be using mustard color braided cord. Round 16. For the beginning we will make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 single crochet. Now we'll start our combination. The combination for this round is 2 single crochet in one stitch, 12 single crochet. We'll have to repeat this 6 times in total. Let's do it together. 2 single crochet in one stitch, and now 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So this is our combination. You have to repeat this 5 more times. Stop the video right now, finish making this combination to have it 6 times in total, and I will meet you almost at the very end of this round. I repeated combination 2 single crochet in one stitch, 12 single crochet 6 times. Now this is almost the very end of round 16. To finish the round we will make this 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 and the second one also in the same stitch, and now 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one is 7. Just like this. And this is the end of round 16. At the end of this round you should have 98 stitches. Round 17. In this round we will repeat combination 13 single crochet, 2 single crochet in one stitch, 13 single crochet, 2 single crochet in one stitch. We will have to repeat this 7 times in total. So first make 13 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now 2 single crochet in one stitch, the first one, the second one also in the same stitch. So this is our combination. Repeat this combination 6 more times. So now stop the video, finish working on the round, and I will meet you right here at the very end of this round. I finished making round 17. At the end of this round you should have 105 stitches from here till here, and this is how our placement looks like. Round 18, 4 more rounds left to finish this placement. So round 18, we'll start round 18 by making 8 single crochet, also working in the loop that is behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the beginning of our round 18. Now we will make 2 single crochet in one stitch, 14 single crochet. Repeat this 6 times. 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 and 2, and now make 14 single crochet. You have to repeat this combination 6 times in total. So now stop the video, repeat this combination 6 times, and I will meet you almost at the very end of this round. I repeated combination 2 single crochet in one stitch, 14 single crochet 6 times. This is almost the very end of round 18. To finish the round we will make this 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 and the second one also in the same stitch, and now 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And this is the end of round 18. At the end of this round you should have 112 stitches. You can see the pattern is coming up perfectly, and the placemat will be really beautiful. Round 19. In this round we will repeat combination 15 single crochet, 2 single crochet in one stitch. We will have to repeat this 7 times in total. Let's start together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now we will make 2 single crochet in one stitch. The first one, the second one also in the same stitch. So this is our combination for this round. Repeat this combination 6 more times. Stop the video, finish working on this round, and I will meet you at the very end of this round. I finished making round 19. I repeat the combination 15 single crochet, 2 single crochet in one stitch 7 times in total, and at the end of this round we should have 119 stitches. So 2 more rounds left, the easiest one, so let's get further. Before starting round 20, I ran out of the cord, so I will show you again how I am adding the new cord. So with the scissors I'm cutting the ends, then I'm burning them to be them hot, and then joining just like this. Beautiful, beautiful joining. So now round 20. In this round we will work in single crochet all the round, stitch by stitch, not making any two single crochet in one stitch. So working in single crochet in the same stitch as all placemat. In the stitch that is behind, you can see this is the joining is coming, so I will make it in the back, so the joining is invisible. So you can stop the video now, finish working around 20. I will also do the same, and I will meet you once we both are done with this round. So in single crochet, stitch by stitch, all the round. No need to count something, just making stitch by stitch. And now the last stitches for round 20 while working in single crochet, stitch by stitch. This one and the very last one, and this is the end of round 20. I will put the marker, one more round left. Before the last round, our placemat looks like this, nice and flat. Round 21. This is the last round of the placemat, and we will finish it by making the nice edge. So in the last round we will make slip stitches like this, also in the loop that is behind. This is the loop that we are working it. Just pull the cord through and pull the cord through the loop you have on the hook. So work in stitch by stitch in slip stitches all the way. Stop the video, finish making the round, and I will meet you also when I will finish making the round. You can see how nice the ending is coming up. This is like a little break something, and when you make the slip stitch for the very end, it gets all together. And now the very last stitches for making this placemat. I will cut the cord right here. To be the nice ending, I will burn it a bit. And I will make the last slip stitch like this. I will pull the end, and in the next stitch I will make a knot. Put the hook from the back, pull it through, you have a loop, and now make a knot. And this is the ending, nice and beautiful ending. Now from this side, maybe I will make it a bit shorter. I will just hide the end of the cord between the stitches. Just like this. Just grab the cord and pull it through. Like this. And your placemat is done. So this is the green one that I had in my home previously, and this is the mustard color. So thank you for watching. All the information about the written pattern material used you can find below in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video tutorial interesting and informative. If you want to see more video tutorials, you can visit my main YouTube channel. I have video tutorials how to crochet totes, bags, rugs, placemats, baskets, and more. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. All the information about the pattern, the cord used, you can find below in the video description. So thank you for watching.